We all dream of having long, thick lashes that make our eyes pop and our entire face glow. Guess what? It's totally possible. In this video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks to transform your lashes, so don't miss a single one. Stick around because every tip could be your game changer. Homemade natural lash serum. Thoroughly clean an old mascara tube and brush to ensure no residue remains. Fill the tube with half tablespoon each of castor oil, vitamin E oil, and coconut oil. If available, add 3 drops of rosemary oil. This step is optional, so feel free to skip it if you don't have rosemary oil. Close the mascara bottle tightly and shake it gently to mix the ingredients. Apply this serum to your lashes every night before bed to nourish, strengthen, and promote lash growth naturally. Petroleum Jelly. Use petroleum jelly daily on your lashes to keep them moisturized and healthy. Apply it during the day for a natural, glossy look that makes your lashes appear as if you're wearing mascara. Replacing your daily mascara use with petroleum jelly can be a great alternative, especially since frequent use of mascara, particularly waterproof formulas, can damage your lashes over time. Save mascara for special occasions to maintain lash health. Combing your lashes. Gently brushing your eyelashes can help keep them healthy and encourage growth. Regular combing improves blood circulation, which can promote longer, stronger lashes. Use a clean mascara wand or an eyebrow brush and comb your lashes for about 2 to 4 minutes daily. For added benefits, apply a small amount of vitamin E oil to the brush before combing. This extra step provides nourishment to your lashes while enhancing their strength and shine. Oils for lash growth. Natural oils like coconut, olive, almond, argan, and castor oil are rich in nourishing fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. These oils not only hydrate your lashes but also promote growth and improve their resilience. Simply apply a tiny amount of your preferred oil to your lashes using a clean applicator or your fingertips, and let it work its magic overnight. Avoid excessive mascara use. Limit the use of mascara, especially waterproof formulas, as they can weaken and damage your lashes. Waterproof mascara is particularly challenging to remove, and the removal process can lead to lash breakage and loss over time. Always remove waterproof mascara gently using a quality makeup remover to minimize damage. Never sleep with mascara on, as it can dry out your lashes and increase the risk of them falling out. Additionally, avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can cause lash fallout and irritation. Prioritize lash health by being gentle and mindful of your routine. Green tea treatment. Soak a cotton pad in cooled green tea and gently apply it to your lashes. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that nourish your lashes and promote healthy growth. With consistent use of these natural remedies, you can improve the health and appearance of your eyelashes over time, making them look longer, fuller, and more vibrant.